Okay, hi Taurus, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be from the 1st to the 15th of May for you. So, first, we're going to be looking at the current situation, what you're going through. If that resonates, then probably the outcome will also resonate with you. So, let's look at your current energies, Taurus. Okay, let's see what's going on with Taurus. Okay, so I'm going to take this 10 of Swords. Ooh, you're done with something. 6 of Wands, Judgment. So there has been some sort of an epiphany in your life where you've understood something. What is the Judgment about? Enough of living in stagnation. 2 of Cups and 8 of Cups. Okay. So there are certain ways or certain ideologies or certain person that you need to walk away from. Okay, take it how it resonates. You are getting clarity. Okay, I talk about clarity and I get Ace of Swords. Anyways, so you are getting clarity about what is meant to stay in your life and what needs to go away. Okay, I'm actually seeing that you are touching the thing that is meant for you. Okay, you are getting there and you should get there. All right, there has been some sort of a communication that I see, or some sort of a call from the universe, or in some manner with you, to understand about who you truly are. So what I'm getting here is that now you're getting to that understanding that this situation of agony, feeling like left out or just not knowing what to do, etc., is coming to an end, is already ended, and now you're going to rise. All right, that's the energy that you are in right now. So let's see if this is resonated, then let's see what to expect from May 1st to the 15th for you. Okay, May 1st to the 15th, what should you expect? Okay, I saw the Devil card, but I'll take it if it comes. Temperance and the Hanged Man. Okay, so now you're going to be very balanced in your head in these 15 days. Very balanced. You will not take any rigorous decisions. Things are kind of falling into place for you now. 10 of Wands. The World, yes. So 10 of Swords and 10 of Wands coming to an end. So basically, you're kind of flying free. Okay, you're kind of coming out of that energy where you probably felt that I am so burdened, I cannot do anything. Those feelings in you are kind of going away now. Okay, and there is a change. Wheel of Fortune followed by the Ace of Wands. Okay, so it's like there is a change in the way now you're going to attack things, or I mean, I'm using a very strong word. There will be a change in the way you attack things or the way you approach things. Okay, and it's because this is the beginning of a new you, is what I'm picking up. Okay, because you feel very new, you feel very nourished, because you've let go of certain things. Could be because of the full moon. You are letting go of some ways of thinking in you. You are letting go of and a way of approach. Now it's going to be kind of fiery. So earthy people, usually, since Taurus is an earth sign, you guys do not want to do things with a lot of fire, because that's how your nature is. Earth signs are very calm and composed, but I'm seeing you, sometimes it can lead to lethargy. So you're coming out of that energy. Okay, now let's see what else do I pick up from the cards. What else to expect? 6 of Cups. So yes, 4 of Cups and the Magician. So yes, okay, you're not going to be in the victim attitude anymore. That's what I'm seeing. Like, okay, Could be that you miss certain things. Okay, I had the devil previously, now I have the devil here, so I'll take it. So yeah, you will come out of the victim attitude now and you're going to charge up. Like the devil and the magician together is like, whoa, like, I mean, it can lead to a lot of things, but is more of like you not wanting to be in the zone of feeling victimized now any longer, because you now know that you're not a victim. See, when things happen in life, you tend to give in, you tend to surrender that, okay, my life is this, my life is that, I cannot change it, blah, blah, blah. You're coming out of that mindset basically, okay? Even if there have been situations which could be like bringing you down, bogging you down, you know that, okay, it's a temporary thing, it will go, okay? That's what you're picking up and that's what you know, okay? So that's why I said the way you approach things now is changing. You as a person is changing, okay? And it's a very good thing, because maybe now it's about your own power, okay? You're actually seeing that. Maybe people around you have risen and you just don't know, like, I mean, you're stuck. You don't know if you'll be able to do this, you don't know if you can do this rather. Okay, so it's like a tendency of, maybe in the past you just had this whole tendency thinking that, okay, nobody is helping me, nobody is there for me, how can I do this? And then you used to get bogged down, but now you're coming out of that mindset. You're no longer going to think that way. Okay, so that's what is coming for you from 1st to the 15th of April. Let me pick up a advice card from the Animal Spirit Oracle cards. Okay, so I have the Rabbit Spirit. Now is a lucky time. Wow, this is a beautiful card. And then I have the White Raven Spirit. Trust in the magic. So guys, this time is going to show you some things which probably you would not even expect. Okay, you will see a very different version of yourself in this phase. Okay, and you would just know that you're capable of this as well. And it could come across as a shock for you, but that's how it is. It's a lucky phase in disguise for you. Okay, you are shedding skin literally, and that's what I'm picking up. So it's a good feeling, so don't worry about it. Okay, all right. So Taurus, that's what I have for you. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with your situation and if you liked this reading. Also, private readings are open. Description, the details are there in the description box below. And also, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Nishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. And take care. I shall see you soon again. Bye-bye.